In this video, I'll be showing you how to find the lease information for your business plan. So all I did was I typed in restaurant lease information in Woodbury, and usually there's a couple websites out there to help with this. With this one, it was called cityfeet.com, and I was able to find a location. So let's say this is the location that I'd like my restaurant to be, and it's going to provide you all the information that you need to figure out your lease. So this is the information I'm talking about. So if you look in on your business plan, your startup cost, lease terms, if it doesn't have how long, typically a lease is 1 to 2 years. If it doesn't tell you which one, just go ahead and just do 1 year. Total amount for the total lease. In this amount here, it's telling you how much it's going to cost per month. So if you scroll down a little bit, here is the rental rate that we would have per month. Now, we need to figure out as well what it's going to cost us for the entire year. So we're going to take this monthly rate times 12, and then this is the amount it's going to cost us alone for just for the lease. So for lease, total amount for the lease, it'd be $36,687.96. Lease per month, it's provided right there. Now, total square footage, space available, that would be this amount here for total square footage available. Typically with the restaurant, 40% is for kitchen. The other 60% is going to be for the dining area. So we need to figure out both of these percentages. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our total space available. We're going to multiply that by 40%, so 0.4. So we have 917 square feet available just for the kitchen. Now, how much does that leave us then for the rest of the restaurant? We're going to take our total square footage minus the kitchen. So we have 1376 left to work with. So now, by doing that, we now know how many customers we can have in the restaurant at one time. So in the next area, in the dining area of the business plan, it asks you how many tables would you need to purchase. So what we're going to do is we're going to find out how many guests can we actually have. And typically you give 10 square feet per customer. So if we take this 1376 that's designated for just the dining area, divide that by 10, we can have a total of 137. Okay, so 138 total amount of people we could have in there. So now that tells you how many chairs you like to have. Tables, do you want people just to be in couples of 2 or 4, or what size? You and your team can really decide how many tables you want to have there. But then the chairs, silverware, cups, that provides you now a groundwork of how much you need to purchase. So again, this was the lease information that we were able to look in here. When we get to the investment day, you will need to print out this document here so your investors can see where is this going to be located, and then some of the basics behind here that an investor would want to know how much money is going to be spent on the lease. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know.